Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your instructor Shiza and you are on the planet of psychology. So today's lesson is about branches of psychology or subfields of psychology. So let's start. The first branch of psychology is the clinical psychology. This branch of psychology deals with the study, diagnosis, and treatment of psychological disorders, for example, OCD, schizophrenia, and anxiety, stress, and different mental disorders. And the second one is the cognitive psychology. Let's look at the second. This branch of psychology focuses on the study of higher mental processes, for example, a human's ability to take knowledge and learning new things and creating new ideas and concepts and dealing with different problems and problem solving. And yes, the third one is the counseling psychology. Focuses primarily on educational, social, and career adjustment problems, and also deals with the counseling. People who are suffering from mental disorders and suffering from different marital problems, relationship problems, and yes. And the fourth one is developmental psychology. This branch of psychology examines how people grow and change from the moment of conception through death, and how a child grows to a fully human and develops different kinds of habits and personalities. Educational psychology. This subfield of psychology is concerned with teaching and learning processes, such as the relationship between motivation and school performances, teacher performances, and how students are dealing with the teachers and their psychological problems in educational situations. Forensic psychology. This branch of psychology focuses on legal issues such as determining the accuracy of witness memories, dealing with prisoners and their psychological well-being, and another branch of psychology is organizational psychology. This subfield deals with the psychology of workplace, how organizations deals with humans and their work, and how they are affected by psychological problems. And the other one is personality psychology. This branch of psychology is concerned on the consistency in people's behavior over time, the traits that differentiates one person from another. For example, different genetic materials of different persons, how they differ from one another, like they grow up into different personalities. Thanks for learning with me. Please like and subscribe to my channel and do share my page. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.